Welcome to Sizemore Ultimate Food Trucks, where we specialize in the highest quality food trucks in the business. We are a custom fabricator with diesel experts on staff, so we can do anything from engine repair to suspension repair to building the food truck with our own equipment. Everything we do is custom made in-house. We do not source anything. Everything is built by our guys here at our facility in Bunnell, Florida. We take Freightliner MT45s, Ford F59s, anything that has four wheels realistically, and we can turn it into a beautiful food truck masterpiece. If you'd care to know more and want to see more, check out our website, sizemoreultimatefoodtrucks.com. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Our phone number here is 386-313-5942. Take a look through our pictures. Let us know what you think. And as always, Sizemore is the home of the ultimate food truck. Thank you and have a wonderful day.